Hi, this is Ian from In 30 Minutes Guides. On a video last year, I got a lot of questions about Amazon refund requests if someone orders an item and then it never shows up. And here's what to do. Go to your Amazon account, click on your orders. You'll come to this page, and then find the item that you ordered, and you'll see a button, or you should see a button that says problem with order. It may be if you ordered something a long time ago, that button may disappear, and you may need to contact Amazon directly. I'll show you how to do that in a minute. But let's assume you see the yellow button, problem with order. Click on that, and then there's an item here that says package didn't arrive. So that's what you want. And you may see a message like this: the package has been delivered by the carrier. So when you order something from a seller on Amazon and they're shipping it themselves, they will input the tracking information and give it to Amazon, or they'll buy the shipping directly from Amazon. So Amazon has the tracking information. So Amazon is able to tell when the item has been scanned at drop-off. The problem is, of course, what if something happens to the package, or maybe it was dropped off at the wrong location, or you have a big property and it was dropped off at the driveway instead of the mailbox, or whatever. So what Amazon wants you to do is to check your surroundings and check your neighbors. And if you're still unable to locate the package, please contact the seller. So there's a button here that says contact seller. You open that up, and then you can write a message and saying, hey, I ordered this thing, it didn't show up, what's the story? And then if they don't respond within 48 hours, then you come back to this page, and there'll be another set of prompts for you to try to resolve it. If this doesn't work for you for whatever reason, or when you come to the orders page, there's no yellow button saying problem with order, what you need to do is go to the very bottom, click on contact us, and then start chatting now. And you can see that there's a little sample dialogue here. And basically what this automated system will try to do is identify the order that has the problem and then try to resolve it. There's no guarantee that this system will be able to fix the issue for you, but I found usually if there's a problem with the seller sending it, like who knows what happened, the seller used the wrong shipping service, or the carrier dropped it off at the wrong location, Amazon will usually make you whole in some way, but now they want you to follow this process, and it may happen to you. And if worse comes to worse, go to the contact button at the bottom of the page, click contact us, and then follow this type of process to try to resolve the order. I know it's not a magic answer to everyone's problem, but hopefully that will help a lot. If you have more questions about using technology, go to in30minutes.com. That's the official website for our guides, or follow us on YouTube, and you'll see more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching.